Ever wonder how a TV star loses it all then builds a legal empire? This is the untold story of Gaby Vegas and her rise to Miami fame. Forget the runway. We are talking about the business of being iconic. In 2026, personal branding is the new gold mine for fashion models. Gaby started in Venezuela, commanding the screen as a top TV host. But fame doesn't always equal security when your country is in crisis. She made a choice that most celebrities would be too proud to make. Gaby moved to the US with nothing but a dream and a relentless work ethic. To survive, this fashion icon traded a microphone for a cleaning mop. Imagine scrubbing floors while your fans still see you as a superstar. This was her silent era, where she learned the true value of grit. But a true entrepreneur knows that every struggle is just a setup. She didn't just want to find a job, she wanted to own the entire niche. Gaby noticed a gap in Miami legal marketing and accident world. She rebranded herself as #LangeDallasAccidents. This wasn't just a nickname, it was a high level branding strategy. By wearing white, she signaled trust, purity, and professional hope. Her style shifted from media girl to corporate marketing leader. This is how you use to fashion to dominate a high value industry. She partnered with 1-800 No Fault to scale her business reach. Suddenly, the girl who cleaned houses was the face of legal brands. This is the wealth mindset that separates influencers from moguls. Now, let's talk about the confident professional aesthetic she perfected. She proved that you can be high fashion and highly respected at once. Her Instagram became a masterclass in luxury personal branding. She uses monochromatic sets to create a look of instant authority. For Gaby, a blazer is not just clothing, it is a suit of modern armor. Notice how she balances her physique with sharp, tailored silhouettes. This style attracts high-ticket brand deals and legal partnerships. Advertisers love her because she represents the successful professional. She shares her behind-the-scenes journey, building trust through transparency. Trust is the highest currency in the 2026 digital economy. Gaby doesn't just sell clothes, she sells the dream of the comeback. Her engagement rates are high because her story is 100% authentic. From cleaning homes to owning a lifestyle that many only dream of. She currently a marketing representative in the legal niche. This role combines her media talent with high-level business deals. It's a blueprint for any model looking to diversify their income. Don't just pose for the camera, own the business behind the lens. Gaby Vegas is reminder that your past does not define your future. She embraces her process, her errors, and eventually her success. The angel persona is now a multi-platform marketing powerhouse. In blazers or editorials, her confidence anchors her brand. That is the secret to a high RPM brand in the luxury space. Are you ready to style your life with the same level of discipline? Analyze her moves closely because Gaby Vegas is a masterclass in high stakes influence. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more inspiring stories.